Why not own a business in this wonderful, sunny lifestyle location? Beautiful Blenheim near the top of the South Island.
Hi, my name's Gerard Dunne, business broker with ABC Business Sales. I'm here today to introduce you to a thriving bakery business that was established over 50 years ago that produces a bottom line profit today that you may well only have dreamed about.
This is the Redwood Bakery in Redwood Town, Blenheim. A busy shopping precinct surrounded by extensive residential housing, 2 schools and a kindergarten. The bottom line generated by this business confirms it as the go-to for local residents, shoppers and workers, including hundreds of contractors, tradesmen, salespeople and others on the road in Blenheim each day. The bakery sells a comprehensive range of mainstream morning tea and lunch kiwi fare which appeals across the board, marketed from clean, modern and inviting premises recently refitted. This business is genuinely profitable, and if you're used to big city rents, you simply won't believe the tenancy costs, with rent at just 2% of revenue. The building owner is set to establish a new lease with the buyer, offering excellent tenure. The current owner has this business operationally managed, so spends minimal time in the kitchen. Recent roster changes will reduce wages while reducing owner operational requirements even further, so you could genuinely choose to stay right out of the kitchen if you wish. If you're interested in a reliable food business, which will reward you handsomely, you have to take a look at this bakery. Sales were up 7% in the last financial year, and margins have been further strengthened in 2019.
Blenheim's one of New Zealand's sunniest towns and one of New Zealand's very special grape growing, wine making and tourist regions. If you're looking for change, call me now to talk confidentially about this opportunity to change your lifestyle in every respect. Gerard Dunne, ABC Business Sales.